Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. I actually already filmed this video, but I didn't really like how my hair turned out, so here I am filming it again. So I am here to show you guys this wig that I have from Unice. This is a balayage body wave wig. So this wig has already been washed and stuff, and yeah, we're gonna restyle it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put my wig cap on, flip my hair up, because we don't know how to braid over here. This is the lace on the wig, really nice and natural. This is a pre-everything wig, so it already comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that good stuff. So I am just gonna cut a little bit of this lace. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut those off. So the wig comes with an adjustable band. It also has a comb in the back and then this adjustable drawstring that all the wigs come with now, so you can get the most perfect fit for your unit. I am going to use both the band and the adjustable drawstring in the back because I like my wigs to fit nice and snug. I have to hold my wig cap though so it doesn't shift. Like so. And then you just adjust it. Ooh. Okay. Just like this. So the wig is on. I already had cut some layers in this wig from the first time I made the video. The color is a nice shade. I believe this wig is 24 inches. I'm going to show you guys how long it is on me before we go back in and add the curls to it. It goes to my waist. On the back, it is a glueless wig, so you really don't have to add anything to it to tack it down. Once you adjust it, it's nice and snug. Me, I like to add a little bit of hairspray to my wigs. Y'all know I don't do glue anyway, but yeah, we're just gonna section our hair. I'm just gonna add a little hair tie, and we're gonna curl it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in, curl the wig with my curling iron. Hold it for a few seconds. I would pin it. Let's see. Pin the curls a little bit. Then I just roll it back, roll it up. It's hot, and clip it. Jesus, that is hot. That's hot. So we're just curling and pinning like this, but the other ones I curl upside down. So I'm just gonna curl this front piece first so I can make sure I have enough clips, because I don't know if I use too many clips on one side. Then I drop it. Oh, and this hair holds some heat, so it gets really hot. But I just roll it back up and clip it. This is our last piece. The hair curled really easy, and I know these curls are gonna look so cute because the way it's holding the heat in, the hair is hot. The way it is holding in the heat. And I have this iron set to 425. This is definitely my favorite curling iron to curl hair with. Okay. So the hair is all curled up. I'm gonna let these cool before I take these down. While I'm waiting on the curls to cool, I'm just gonna take some concealer to the part, because as you can see my stocking cap, and we're just gonna blend it all together. Pretty bouncy. Whoa. Okay, so these are the curls. I'm just gonna kind of like rake my fingers through them. I never remember how I want the front curl to be. Like that, I think so. I'm not sure how I'll be wanting the front curl to be. Alright, these are the curls. Finger combed out, really pretty. So much volume. So cute, the layers and the curls and the color, super cute together. So body. Since the parting space is so wide, I think this is a 7 by 9. I'm gonna list the exact specs down below, but you can totally do like, oh that's cute, like a flip over situation. Of course we will have to pull our edges out to like hide the edge of the wig. Blend that on in. Yeah, we'll have to hide the edge of that, but this is cute. Like a little flip over. Please. Let the highlight pop in. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. That's cute. So, I'm going to show you guys what it would look like with the little side part situation, because you get so much parting space. Look at that. Again, you can see my cap. If you did like the ball cap method, you wouldn't have any wig cap line of demarcation, so just know you wouldn't be able to see that. I'm going to go in with my flat iron to like, not my flat iron. I'm going to go in with the curling iron barrel just to like flatten that out. We don't want to burn ourselves. That's literally one of my worst fears. Burning myself with a hot tool? No thanks. Like so. This is cute. And then I'm going to take my edges out. I'm going to go in with a little bit of edge control for the edge a little bit. And I'm feeling this as a side part instead of a middle part. So I'm just going to take this to my edges. And while you don't need any glue, I am going to go in with a little bit of hairspray so it can sit flush to my skin and kind of have a more seamless blend. This is just hairspray. Again, you don't need glue with these wigs, but I'm just going to add a little hairspray to mine. How cute are these new little skinny bands? So, I'm just going to add this, and we're going to let this sit for a few minutes. Okay, let's take, oh, perfect. I'm just going to go in with this. As you can see, it just blends a little bit better in with my skin. Okay, that looks so good. So I'll be sure to list all of Unice's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to this unit that I'm wearing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!